you want to be able to change your themes in Chrome so you've got something cool like this, because this is definitely not the standard version. So let me show you how to do it. I've gone back to the default settings, top right, select this little icon here, which will be a picture of yourself, or it might just be your initials or something like that, not to be confused with this one here. So on top right, click on that, click on the pencil icon, which is for customized profile. Then go to, on the left hand side, go to appearance, and we've got a theme. Click on this icon here, so you can now choose one of these themes. So lots of different themes available. Here's dark and black themes, for instance, or you could have a zodiac animals theme, whatever you want really. So go through them. Now some of them will work better than others. I would recommend that you have a quick look at the ratings as well. So this one here I'm pretty sure is going to work because it's got a very high rating. Scroll down to find something that you want. So we'll go for this one here, this lone tree. Select it, go to add to Chrome. It'll check that it's compatible. Give it a moment, and there we go. It's being added along the top. But if I click on this, so I've got a new tab, you can see that it's working, and this is my lone tree theme. Hope you found this useful. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel of mine, like the video, and have a play around with the themes. If you do find a really good theme, do write in the comments though what it is, because I'm always looking for a new theme. Makes my life a bit more interesting.